Congratulations! If you're watching this video, it means you're one step closer in securing financial assistance for childcare. But before you submit your application online, gather the documents you'll need to upload. In this video, we'll go through that list of required documents and which ones are acceptable. As part of your application, you will need to upload documents that support the following: identity, residency, employment or education, child documents, your family size, and any earned or unearned income. Identity. This one's simple. We need a copy of your valid government-issued ID or your passport. Easy, right? Residency. We need a copy of one of the following to verify where you live. Now, it's important that it has your name and your address on it, and it needs to be dated within the past year. A utility bill, it can be also an electric, gas, water, cable, or internet bill. A current and signed rental agreement, aka your lease, or a mortgage statement, a government ID, a food stamps or Medicaid letter within the past month. For those of you who are renting a room or living with someone else, this is important. You have to submit one of those documents in the homeowner's name and then have them write a letter saying you live with them and get it notarized. Employment or education. To qualify for financial assistance, you must be working or at school for at least 20 hours per week, or combined 40 hours for two parents. Disability also qualifies as a purpose of care. For those in school, just provide your current class schedule showing credit hours, days and times of classes, and make sure it's from the current semester when you're submitting your application. Make sure it is on letterhead from your accredited university or institution. For working parents, share your most current and consecutive pay stubs for the past 4 weeks. If you don't receive pay stubs, it's easy. Download the income verification form like this one and have it completed and signed by your employer. If you're self-employed or paid with cash, provide last year's income tax return with a business ledger, a work calendar, and receipts. A business ledger should look something like this. Do you drive for Uber or Lyft? Make sure your payment statements show a minimum of 20 hours worked per week for 4 consecutive weeks, and it has to be current up to today's date. Check on the example on your screen. Child documentation. To calculate your family size, we need one of the following for all children living in your household: an original or certified copy of a birth certificate, a life insurance policy, a passport or green card, or a court-ordered proof of guardianship if applicable. Now, it's important. We cannot accept a confirmation of birth from a hospital or medical center like this one. It must be a certified copy or original birth certificate. Family size. We serve big families and small ones all the same. If you're separated, we need a notarized letter with a date of separation, your spouse's name, address, and phone number, along with proof of their address, whether that's a utility bill or a lease in their name. If your spouse's whereabouts are unknown, upload a notarized letter stating that. The letter must be signed and dated, and again, it has to be notarized. If you're divorced, just submit your divorce papers. Earned and unearned income. We're on the home stretch now, only one section to go. If you receive any benefits like disability, food stamps, Social Security, or child support, please upload a notice, letter, or statement showing how much you receive. If your child support is not enforced through the court system, upload a notarized letter from the other parent stating how much they pay and how often. Both parents' names must be on the letter, and it has to be signed something like this. And that's a wrap. Those are the documents you'll need to upload along with your application. Reminder, if you're using your phone to scan or make copies of your documents, be sure to capture the entire document. Snaps like these will not be accepted. We thank you, and if you need any other assistance, please contact the ELC of Broward County.